Welcome to my channel where we embrace the journey of motherhood with warmth and support. In this video, I will guide you through using a pigeon manual breast pump, ensuring every moment feels nurturing and empowering. Imagine holding your little one close, feeling the gentle rhythm of their tiny mouth as they nurse. The pigeon manual breast pump aims to replicate that same comforting sensation. Unpack the pump and ensure all parts are meticulously clean and assembled. Each piece should feel like an extension of your body, designed to care for you and your baby. Place the cup gently against your breast, ensuring it fits snugly. Picture this as an embrace between you and the pump, creating a seal that mirrors the closeness of nursing. Center the cup over your nipple, finding that perfect alignment. This connection is crucial. It's where comfort meets efficiency. Begin by massaging your breast tenderly. Let your mind wander to those precious moments when your baby first latches on. Feel the natural stimulation this brings. Encouraging milk to flow effortlessly. Start with gentle squeezes on the handle, mimicking the soft suction of a newborn. Remember, the goal is not force, but